Hi, welcome to the Market Alert for Thursday, the 11th of July 2024. So stocks panic bid ahead of CPI as Biden's nomination odds replunge. So bad news is good news. Stock rally advances as eyes turn to CPI for today. And again, US stocks rallied to fresh record levels on tech strength. So there's no stopping the S&P from going up at the moment, that's for sure, which we'll see in just a moment. So today we've got GDP from the UK at 7 a.m. It's forecast to be slightly higher at 0.2. And then the main event of the day and the week, of course, is the CPI numbers forecast to drop to 3.1 from 3.3. So we'll see if that happens. Right, let's have a look at the markets from yesterday and kick off with the Dow. So in the Dow, up day yesterday, market still making its way back to the all-time high of 40,054 there. Yesterday finishing above the 39,000. Let me just get this number for you. Yesterday's high, 39,755. So on target there to recapture the all-time high. It's going to happen, isn't it? We can see that already in the charts that it's going to occur, and that could happen quite easily today with the release of the CPI numbers. Yesterday it was just a launch pad in the electronic session and the market straight up, and then the last hour, the last 30 minutes, the market just absolutely ramping up there, 200 points for the Dow. The insanity continues. I mean, the market should be certainly not moving like they're moving, but like I said before, BlackRock seem to have a hand in everything. And with computers and algorithms, it's easy to keep moving the markets in the direction you want it to move these days. Right, let's have a look at the DAX. And in the DAX, up yesterday as well, not racing back to the all-time high like the Dow at all. The first target is going to be the 18,664. Seems to be weaker in Europe at the moment. But yesterday, a good day. As you can see there, the DAX up 200 points and already above yesterday's high in the overnight as well. So bullish again ahead of those CPI numbers. In the S&P 500, well, we continue to make those new all-time highs. We've done 5,600 now. We've got 5,635. It looks like we're heading for 5,700, doesn't it now? Shouldn't be too much of a problem, but it continues to move higher. And it's when you look at the monthly chart, it's just vertical. There's something very odd going on here for sure, whether it's just trying to keep everything boosted for Biden for the election. Say, voters can say, well, I made money under Biden, my pension's gone up, my stock portfolio's gone up, so I'm sticking with Biden. It just doesn't seem right. It seems very strange indeed, but it is what it is. FT100 still stuck in a sideways range, not doing much at all. 30-minute chart there shows the market rallying back towards the upside of the daily chart channel. Market above the 200 and the high at the moment as prices await those CPI numbers. In the US dollar, this is sideways, again waiting for the CPI numbers. So let's have a look at the metals reaction yesterday. And market sideways for silver, but up overnight, looking to want to blast through this 31.53. We certainly will if the CPI numbers come out lower than forecast. That's what the metals will be looking for, and the dollar should move lower. That's what the normal situation would be, but you just never know. You just never know these days. So yesterday, silver up in the morning. As soon as we get the London fix, guess what? Gets hammered down overnight in Asia, the market moving up. And gold yesterday also, you can see there, was finishing off the highs, but overnight the market moving to the upside there as well. So you can see there, pullback not as great. So let's have a look at the gold-silver ratio. Gold-silver ratio is currently sideways there. You can see that in the chart. Not doing a lot at all, but then both neither gold nor silver are either. Again, waiting for those CPI numbers. And in the Far East, we've got a fix today of 34.84 and 30.94. So again, you can see the difference there. That looks about $3.10 to me. So yeah, it's narrowing a bit from where it was the other day when it was $4 plus. So yeah, the LBMA catching up a bit there. Right, let's have a look at yesterday's trades. So yesterday, forgot to hit the record button, so we've got the full picture instead of the markets unfolding bar by bar. But you can see there we had a potential sell signal. This traded down to the close, the BRN, and also we've got the 200 MA there where the market wants to get back. The market bounced off this, and then it was a one-way bet all of the way there. So if we just moved through yesterday, we traded all the way up, and then into the afternoon. You can see we just had the one trade there with the market pulling back a bit. 50 EMA, you can see how it had held the market once it broke, and then it accelerated away from this once more. And that was it for yesterday's DAX, as we saw, making great strides yesterday to the upside, and overnight the market already above yesterday's high as well, with all of the averages in the right alignment there as well at the moment. So again, everything pointing towards the CPI numbers. It was a positive at the moment on the overnight markets and certainly during yesterday. So it looks like the market's anticipating a cut in the CPI numbers at 1:30. Okay, that's it for this one. For me, have a great day. Keep an eye on those CPI numbers at 1:30. And as ever, thanks for watching. See you in the next